In this video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a Figma design to a Squarespace website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, we need to access the Squarespace platform, so open your preferred web browser and head over to Squarespace. You can do this by searching for Squarespace in your browser's search bar, or typing in the website URL directly. Finding the right website builder is crucial because Squarespace offers a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and those with more experience. Next, once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. This is typically visible in the top right corner of the page. Click on this to begin the login process. Having your login credentials ready at this point will make the process smoother. Go ahead and enter your email address and password, then proceed to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Squarespace dashboard. The dashboard serves as the hub for managing all aspects of your Squarespace site, from editing content to changing templates. Here, locate and click on the option labelled Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage and edit your websites. If you have multiple sites, ensure you're on the correct one that you want to work with. Now that you're on the website management page, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to enter the editor mode. This is where the fun begins, as you'll be able to bring your Figma design to life. Editing your site in this mode allows you to directly modify the layout and design. With the editing interface open, we're at the point where you can start recreating your Figma layout using Squarespace. You'll be using Squarespace blocks, which are essentially the building elements of the site. Carefully review your Figma design and identify its components like images, headings, and text sections. Then use Squarespace's versatile blocks to recreate the layout. You may begin by placing text and image blocks onto your site, tweaking their arrangement and style to match your Figma design as closely as possible. The key advantage of using Squarespace blocks is their flexibility, letting you rearrange and resize elements with ease. Remember, patience is essential here, as detail and accuracy will ensure your site reflects your original design intentions. And there you have it, applying a Figma design to a Squarespace website. Following these steps will help you seamlessly integrate your creative design with the powerful Squarespace platform. Thank you for watching and happy designing.